Welcome to Start Class 7 Geography, chapter number 8, and that is Human Environment Interaction, the tropical and the subtropical region. So, we will see in this chapter the life of the people, life of the plants, life of the animal of tropical and subtropical region, along with its climate and some others. So, the given photograph. The present photograph is given to a girl Renuka by his uncle. His uncle has given this photograph to her, and he told that in the different region of the world, people with different clothes used to live, people with different homes, people with different houses, different food items, different food habits, lives. Even they have three common things, that food, shelter and clothes. These three things are common with a little different. So under it, first heading is life in the Amazon region, Amazon basin. Amazon basin, we can see the Amazon basin on the map. This is Amazon basin, this is Amazon river, and this is Amazon basin. So these all are Amazon basin, which is with green color. Amazon basin is very large. You can see it is spread or extended into many countries from here: Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, and many more areas. And it is located between 10 degree north to 10 degree south. It is located between 10 degree north to 10 degree south. This is 0 degree equator. Equator is 0 degree. This is equator, and 10 degree north, 10 degree south. So it is located between 10 degree north to 10 degree south. And it is referred as equatorial region. The river Amazon flows through the region. Notice how it flows from the mountain to the west, and it reaches to the east. It flows through west to east. And so many countries are located here, as I told, that Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela. Now next heading is how is the climate of this region. The Amazon basin stretch are extended directly in the equator and characterized by the hot and wet climate. It is near the equator, so it is hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both the day and night are almost equally hot and humid. Both the days and night both are hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. The skin feels sticky, like in our area when easterlies wind blow, we feel sticky. The rain almost every day. It rains almost every day. The two without much warning. The day temperature are high. The day temperature are high with very high humidity. At night the temperature goes down. At night temperatures go down, but humidity remains same. Now next heading is rainforest. As it rains heavily in this region, it always rains heavily, so thick forests grow. The forests are in fact so thick, it is so dense that their leaves make roof, and the branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The sunlight cannot reach to the ground. Why? Because of the dense leaves, dense trees. The ground remains dark and damp. That's why there is dark on the land, and there is wet also on the land. And trees found here are orchid, bromeliads, etc. The rainforest is rich in fauna in plant, and different type of animal are found. Fauna, that animals. Birds such as toucans, hummingbird, bird of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage, brilliantly colored feathers are found. Overseas built for eating, but they are different from our Indian birds due to their beaks. They have long beaks, bills. These birds also make loud sound. The birds of this region make louder sound than Indian birds. Animals like monkey, sloth, ant-eating tapirs are found here. Various species of reptiles, snakes also live in this jungle. Crocodile, snake, python are much here. Anaconda and boa constrictor are some of the species. Beside the basin is home to thousands of the species of the insect. And except the animals, a lot of insects are also found in this region. Several species of the fishes, including the fish-eating piranha in this region. Fish is also abundant in this region. A lot of different type of animals are found, different type of birds are found, and different type of reptile like snake, anaconda are found, and so much different varieties of fishes are also found. Even the piranha fish is also found their side, which is very dangerous fish. It is flesh-eating fish. Even it can eat the human also. This basin thus extraordinarily rich in the varieties of the life found here in this area. Different type of varieties of animal, birds, fishes are found. That's why it is very unique. People of the rainforest. How are the life of the people? People grow most of their food in a small area after clearing some trees in the forest. The people cut the forest and they started agriculture. While men hunt and fish along with the river. Male member go to catch the fish and hunt the animal. On the other hand, women take care of the crops which is grown near their home. The mainly crop which grown there are tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. And as hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is not sure that time to time they will get, or uncertain time when they feel hungry they will get. So in this condition, when the male member cannot hunt any animal or cannot catch any fish, so women that time serve the food to their family by the vegetable which they grow around their home. Women also grow vegetables around their home, and this vegetable they used to eat when male member of the family could not hunt any animal or could not catch any fish. They also practice slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture means in your area you have also seen that some of the farmer, after cutting the plant, after cutting the crop, they burn the field. So this is called slash and burn agriculture. So after the farmer of this area, after burning the agricultural field, they move to the next land, and after some month they will return again to the back. This is called slash and burn agriculture. The staple food of this area is manioc, also known as cassava, that grow under the ground like potato. Cassava is a crop like a potato. They also eat queen ant. The people of this area eat queen ant. It is a kind of ant, and they eat an egg cell. They also eat egg cell. Cash crop like coffee, maize, cocoa are also grown here. Rainforest provide a lot of wood for the houses. A lot of food is taken by the forest. Some family live in thatched houses, that kacha houses shaped like beehives. Beehive, that bee home, that chatta, bee house is there, na bee, दैट मधुमक्खी के घर की तरह होते हैं. There are the other large apartment like houses called Maloka. Maloka are large apartment, big houses and good houses. In the roof of the Maloka is steepy and slanting roof. They have sleepy roof. Sleepy roof English is slanting. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing, but nowadays their life is being changed. In older days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigable river. Earlier, the people of those area were able to reach into the forest only by the river, but in 1970, Trans-Amazon Highway is made to reach into the forest. And nowadays, different modern technologies are there to reach their side, like aircraft, helicopter, and other sources. The indigenous, the original native of the places, the original inhabitant of the area, they now pushed out from the area and forced settled in new area. Nowadays, the people of those area, those who are original liver of that area, inhabitant of that area, they migrated to different places and they continue to practice their distinctive way of farming. And wherever they have gone, they do their own farming, the way of their own farming. The development activities are leading to the gradual destruction of the biological diverse rainforest, and due to different type of development activities, rainforests are being destroyed. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappeared. Due to cutting, a large area has been disappeared annually in the Amazon basin. Amazon basin, whatever forests were there in the starting, you can see in Amazon basin earlier, this much forests were there. So for the development, to start agriculture and to make their homes, people has cut the forest. Now this portion has left. Again, after this, you can see people have started agriculture. They have made homes also, and very less amount of forests are left their side now. In this way, destruction and cutting of the trees and forests is going on very rapidly, very fastly. And due to absence of the trees, the topsoil of the area is washed away. When it rains very heavily, it washed away the upper soil, which is fertile in this area earlier, which was very green, which was full of trees, forests, that is turning barren, that is turning now barren, banjar, time-wise, by the passing of time. So, why people of this area started to cut the forest to start agriculture and to settle their home. Now, next heading is life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. This we will see in the next video. Thank you.